Yes, Dylan, come here. Yeah. All right, listen, I got this. Ready? Come here. Where are you going?
In my truck.
Why? I'll follow you there.
I like being videotaped.
Why? Turn around, come here, and answer this question. Come here and answer this question. If you are going 80 miles an hour, how long does it take you to get 80 miles? How long does it take? You gotta tell me what you're doing here, the math. Tell me the math you're doing.
80 miles an hour. I'm trying to think of what I'm not doing here.
Is it a suicide knob? It is a suicide knob. Okay, one more time. You ready? Look at me and listen. If you are going 80 miles per hour, yeah, how long does it take you to get 80 miles? How long does it take you to go 80 miles?
What am I missing here, dude?
Alright, start telling me what you're doing. What's the math? You're going 80 miles an hour.
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
8 hours.
No, you're just guessing. If you go 80 miles per hour.
The answer, just tell me the answer.
No. If you're going 80 miles per hour, how long does it take to get 80 miles? You don't know. You don't have a clue.
I give up.
An hour,
Why
Dylan.
would it take you an hour?
Because you're going 80 miles an hour.
So?
So to get 80 miles, it takes an hour to get 80 miles, going 80 miles an hour. No?
But an hour is 60 minutes.
Yeah.
So if I went somewhere that was exactly an hour away, that would be 80 miles.
No. No. I don't know what you're trying to say. If you were an hour away, that would be 80 miles? No. Okay.
If you're going 80 miles, okay. Wait, how does that make sense? That doesn't make sense.
If you're going 80 miles an hour.
80 miles an hour.
80
Per hour.
miles per hour.
Yes.
It takes you 1 hour to get 80 miles. Because you're going 80 miles per hour. Per hour. Hour is 60 minutes.
Yeah.
Not getting it, are ya?
It's not working.
This is the same fucking thing, man. Alright, I'm out.